Here we got a 49 F100. That's a mechanical dog. See, it's got piston feet. What the hell? And that's real rust, man. I was like, you can't touch it and see it in the camera. I mean, you can only see it in the camera. You can't touch it. But it's real rust. It's not, and it's not like satin clear coat over the rust. It's real rust. So keeps this thing out of the rain. That's for sure. Interesting air cleaner too. Surprised you didn't clear coat it with some satin. Look at the interior though. God, it's decked out.
Wow.
It's amazing. Trucks and cars like this get more attention than the ones that have a gazillion dollars put into them, even though this thing's got a lot of money into it. Just the fact that the body's like this, and it's a mixture of old and new, it gets more attention, It's kind of, look at the wheels. Even bolts on it, right? Big old spikes. You got your wagon. Little skull. Maybe that's where you fill it up. Probably, because it's not, I don't see nothing on the cab where you fill it up. You probably fill it up down there. He's got to keep this thing inside, because this thing is totally unprotected. I mean, it's not, he didn't shoot some like, flat clear coat over it or something. It's just, it really is rust. That's what it is. Oh, you got your old type fire extinguisher, boy. Remember that? We used to have those in the schools. You had to turn them upside down or something to make them work. Except that this is even older than that. It was basically that design. And pleasure chest. That's a cool name. You should freaking put that on the things they got today. And you got your insulation mat down there, just bare insulation mat, jigs, skull and bones. Anyway, it's pretty interesting. You got your sun visor up there, this skeleton hanging over the freaking mirror. Damn. He's probably going to get a lot of votes just because, it's unusual. Nice dog. Should make a Johnny Reb like that or something, these rebel, these Confederate statues. Do a Johnny Reb out of, welded together out of car parts and put like a gray jacket on it with a muzzle loader or something, breech loader. And a Confederate hat, glowing red eyes, Yankee go home across it, That'll be a way to make lots of Confederate statues real cheap. That'll really piss them off, What do you think about that? Use car parts and make a Confederate Johnny Reb. About 8 foot tall, out of like old pistons and connecting rods. Put a Confederate jacket on, a Confederate cap, and a couple glowing red eyes. Yankee go home around the waist belt, gun, a couple 6-shooters or something. Pretty cool.